Hey, it's Dr. Williams, Staker Chiropractic Center. Wanted to talk about active release technique. We use this technique all day long in our practice. It's so complementary to chiropractic medicine as well. It's a soft tissue treatment technique that allows us to treat just about anything from head to toe and musculoskeletal system. So I have my buddy here that is a weightlifter, former college athlete, and things just act up from time to time, right? Today, he's got a little bit of stuff going on in his elbow. So the forearm musculature that comes off of this bone right in here sometimes can flare with repetitive use. An active release technique is a great technique to kind of utilize for the treatment of that. And what it looks like is basically us shortening the tissue, really getting in there and working it out. But one of the things that we really like about ART is a couple of things. One, it allows us to treat all these different issues. Two, it's really effective at getting to the source of the issue, so we can treat things really effectively. And third, it's just so complementary to the chiropractic medicine because you can never separate muscle and joint. So if you've got restriction in a joint, you probably also have some musculoskeletal tightness in the fascia or the tissue there. So we're always utilizing it to treat our injuries. Thanks.